Dimotjhari Nelson Mandela Bay di tlasa kgatello e kgolo ha palo ya mafu a COVID-19 e ntse e ata. Motjhari wa Order Dugu o salletswe ke mabokoso a mabedi fela. Dipersente tse 50 tsa mafu profenseng ena di amana le COVID-19.
Last week I've made an order to my suppliers about 50 coffins, and those coffins are finished by now. Remember, every day we're running funerals, each and every day, and the number has been increased. You know, last week, Friday, we had about 32 funerals. So on that 50 that we ordered last week, really now it's an example of what you see today.
We are facing the COVID-19 pandemic, and now the other places are closed. So and we are in a serious and bad situation.
Le ha melao e metjha ya thibelo ya metsamao e kentswe tshebetsong, baahi ba ntse ba tswela pele ho se ikobele melao ha ba tswela pele ka mekete ya matsatsi a phomolo.